Ning share issue with President Hanover Sami Sakami Wibang. Araitum Miss TKLI he Quikaka Vaisase, Jenna Aria Tami issue with horse, Worley Chani Shimri, Alia Tamidle, Yarina Abanga Pen, Ali welcome Sakuse.
Check. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Can I hear it louder, please? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. That's better. Once again, I, on behalf of the TKLI executives and the organizing committee, would like to extend a warm and hearty welcome on this 25th General Conference, Cultural Meet, TKLI Miss Beauty Contest. Ari hili itumui Contestant lasio ngalam thalak la kaina kchung galai dre yang itumui alumni. Yara Nobing, are you ready? Yara Nobing, are you ready? That's so good. Thank you. Ari, we are here not just to celebrate the beauty, but to celebrate their intelligence, talent, beauty, and poise of the contestant. They have brought a lot of them with them. Itumi Ari alung ngchai hili achiwi machine makui yang megi chipping. Kalahili razangai guest security ladluida welcome salui shitale amingai na mapan virus halala. TKLI li leshimida ngazing chong kazing yat namam tha salala natumna yingda laga ningai tha ga ne thida dag leje contestant wang atumui wang encouragement ka khane gi hi natumli thanks ngai remake up the itumna judge achiwi beauty contest we judge natumna ka thela the sare kala ga chi kha ma ka thei pingui wang akshi da introduce samili shit ke Karesa da itumi TKLI achiwi TKLI Miss Beauty Contest we judge karehi kuirum la pilazan shang President Tangkhul Katamnao Imphal achon la akshita ninga milishilo Bangape mi se ana ishiwi akawi judge aksagi jine kala ga khaniali kui AC Rising TKLI we advisor ne social activist sakane ning shlakhaire Jaina ishi we judge gatuma bahi introduction darkar masagi gi thaye okay ichum tangkhu we alongli ya show trakana yang raga ka haula kaina arila mikli zang chon fugijia achon papa ali la akshida bangape mi se achi itumili anala machine makui yang kameli zangi chine Miss Manipur 2016 okay la show bing mi ngai clay pang nam chim ko la show bing mi ngai clay that's so better okay ari itumi Miss kakabang mang maning la guest artist athang hili Raphei tiger na perform sa chimring bado kya khana ring bado aksa mang bang khanga ing la khanok chong chimring baji la okay ring baji thaye chimang maning la jili ngasoda itumi tangkhul alungli phaula gaya nightingale yang la sathai la gaya la shio achui soro la rang rumi dele jaina yari na hon jingjing rai salo itumi first round he shock vice house he jaina yari secondly natumi chair saji arada lakin gsami log ji remind sangai contestant silira kachunga shokre natumna encouragement kami milo atumna yang da ji tharan hili khangning hi gabai mining ne jaina natumi encouragement dagar sai gi ji make up the remind sangai first round he evening gown round nine shokre kala chutili traditional attire in a shok ji ne ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the first round? All right, let's continue to cheer them on. Miss Ladies and gentlemen, our beautiful ladies are ready, and I hope the judges are ready as well. Okay. Check. Okay. Itumi lasio kamtata bingli akshida pangmer la kina kapelga welcome sami se. It's your time.
Hello everyone, this is your contestant number 1, Somirin Kasar. 22 years young, currently pursuing Masters in Zoology. I aim and aspire to become an educator. I'm very much passionate about teaching, cooking, gardening, and learning many things. Today I stand here not just as a contestant, but as a representative of my dreams and the dreams of those who believed in me. I'm also here to inspire, to learn, to grow, and I am looking forward to this fantastic day. Thank you.
Greetings to you all. I am Velemet Ngalung, your contestant number 2. I recently finished my BSc degree in Home Science from GB Women's College. And I indulge myself in singing, sketching, and cooking. In my life, I believe in the saying, in God, everything is possible. Thank you. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, respected judges, esteemed guests, and to you all. My name is Mantripukhri, Raphei, 19 years old, and I'm 19 years old, and I'm contestant number 3. My aim in life is to become a cabin crew, and I love traveling, listening music, and enjoy creative writing. I love adventures and have the ability to acclimatize myself according to the situation. I'm currently pursuing graduation on Bachelor of Science, and I believe that every shapes that we are meant to be, we are created by God. Thank you so much.
Hello. A very good afternoon to all of you present here. My name is Gladys Jajo, and I am your contestant number 4. I am currently pursuing my master's in zoology in Manipur University. I love to read, draw, and write during my free time. I am passionate about creating and designing, which is why I modified this dress to reflect my personal style. As a person who wants to be independent, I thrive on crafting my own path and embracing creativity. I hope you guys all have a wonderful time. Thank you.
Believe you can, and you are halfway there. Hello, everyone. This is your contestant number 5, Hortingpem Maipok. I'm 21 years old, and I've completed my degree from DM College of Science. In my free time, I like singing and spending quality time with friends and families, having fun and making memories, and I'm passionate about living my life to the fullest and enjoying every moment. Thank you.
Good afternoon, respected judges, honorable guests, and everyone present here. My name is Tungnila Jajo. I'm 19 years of age, your contestant number 6. I'm in first year as a graduate student, pursuing zoology as my honors subject in DM University. I genuinely enjoy assisting others and have a natural ability to create a friendly and welcoming atmosphere, which I believe is my greatest strength. I find solace in the art of meditation, which allows me to cultivate my inner peace, and it is something I practice daily. My dream goal is to utilize my knowledge and passion for zoology to promote animal conservation and education, inspiring others to join me in making a positive impact in environment and animal welfare, while empowering women and young girls to pursue their careers in science and conservation. Thank you.
Hello, TKLI! Good afternoon to everyone gathered here. Good afternoon, respected judges. I am Ungwerwan Shimre, your contestant number 7, currently pursuing my BSc in zoology. Something that's of keen interest to me since my childhood is probably singing, sketching, music, and yoga. As an advocate for diversity and inclusivity, I believe that beauty knows no boundaries. And I, Ungwerwan Shimre, aim to break those stereotypes and redefine beauty and inspire and encourage others to do the same. Thank you. Have a great time.
Hi everyone, my name is Shinchuan Namsan, contestant number 8. I'm 20 years old and I like singing and I love singing. I joined a choir and I think that's the best part of me right now. My voice matters and I will use it. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. This is Shanmila Hungyo, your serial number 9. I am 19 years of age, currently pursuing my bachelor degree in English honor at DM College of Arts. Coming from a family of being humble and kind, I've learned the importance to be a self-motivating individuals with the passions to explore new challenges and to learn from them. My interest includes singing, playing with my neighbors' children, and listening to music. I've always enjoyed interacting with people. During my previous experiences, whether it may be at home, schools, or in any field, I've learned the importance of teamwork and collaborations. I have a strong sense of determination, which I believe I will shine in these competitions. Thank you.
Your contestant number 10, and I am 19 years old, currently pursuing graduation. I am honored to be here in representing in this year of pageant. As a student here, I've been inspired by talent, intelligence, and a civic mindedness of my peers. And I am excited for this opportunity to showcase my own abilities and intelligence. Beauty pageant for me is not only about who has the perfect eyebrows and pins. It's about who is willing to push forward the envelope. So I took the opportunity to push myself forward and putting my existence to a worthy cause of winning the title of Miss TKLI, using it to throw light on a series and that needs urgent attention. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is me, Kimrawan Somther. I'm your contestant number 11. I'm currently pursuing my BSc 4th semester at DM College of Science. I'm 20 years old, a quiet, introspective, and a hardworking person who is looking forward to living a successful and a peaceful life by finding my identity in Christ. For I find myself being the happiest person when I serve my Lord, my God, in every possible ways I can. Thank you all, and I'm looking forward to enjoying this event with you.
Hello, TKLI! Good afternoon to our respected judges and to everyone who's gathered here. I am Temtem A. Shimrei, your contestant number 12, currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in Mantripukhri College, Ukru. I love singing, dancing, and yes, acting. Before I finish my introduction, I would like to share a short quote which inspired me most, and I hope it will inspire you as well. Learn to be like water, adaptable, fit in any vessel, have the sense of calm and have the sense of patience, and have ambition. I hope this afternoon you'll all enjoy with our great ladies. Thank you.
Hello and good evening, everyone. My name is Sumin Shen, your serial number 13. And I am currently studying at EK Higher Secondary School. In my spare time or when I'm not studying, I delight in singing, as it does not only brings me joy, but also helps me express my creativity and also helps me in connecting with others who share similar passions.
Through this platform, I aim to advocate for sustainable living and environmental education among our youth. Thank you for this opportunity, and I look forward to the rest of the competition.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. I'm your contestant number 14, Shang Meiwan Tuitung, hailing from Nambashi Kulen, Kamjong District. I'm 21 years of age with a graduate degree from GP Women College. In my leisure time, I love to dance, bake, and read. And I aspire to become an IAS officer in the future so that I can serve the nation, serve the people, and bring positive change in the society. I'm a woman who strongly believes that hard work is the key to success. Thank you.
क्या कम था किबानु कुई मराव कंडीशन किबानु ना मिचे Okay, itu mula siapa jaga je. Hili confidence ala kain nak shop je na tu ningyang ngai de terpening Athang mahang kesang le. Itu mula jahili ari hi mi hili mera shungner salala. Apam kangateng ngate de way na live na yang dak lene. Thank you so much to all of you who are watching us on live and following us. Continue to support us as well. Ning shlaga ina tumna katom meeting logo ji hang kangai ne. Kala Gigi Kibashina exactly Jakava. Actually life SA Life. SA Life Ashina Zat Kamine. Ashi 2022 winner. 2020 winner. Ringapo Kaine Kala. Even Kangateng Chunkalila Kahaka Chunklila Ashina Life Zat Migaine. Video quality like young Jitaran. Shenglake, Matalake, Jana Itumi Imaram now na hitada Sadagli Itumnala, Kadomi Lakse Gaji, Yari Sakori Hangsan Kangaine. Jane and Soda, SA Life Ashui Mila Radale, Jana, Ashli Pangrana, Tiomeka Kasangaile, Jenny Shui Kashik by a President, Queer Matodni, and a Galaga Pangrana, Chikangran Mirano. SA Life we mean a young rat lake, a young Kangan Quimila. Yaris, I go in a bank of me say. Ning Schlager in the coverage, Talak and Sakamichowang. Okay. Are you ready to take the evening forward? How ready are you? Are you ready? All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our very special guest tonight, Miss Achui Soro on the stage.
Hello. Athang ngla kham thaping na hello jiga gatong woo jiga. Athang hili athum na hitha de athang phatale concert chari jiga akhrar khawai ni chogi ji ithum ba ji bing ji ning jang. Chiping wang aksha pang phi sine. Ara minat kesiga lali ning sangause ki อินาลาคณีซาระจีไอทอมถ้าได้อินพลังอินาช่างลมเสียงฟังกับพี่เสียลมลาวลาได้ในชาเลยก็Shalom Hichipuni Tunga hai lấy cái shi Mừng ở chây lá gương khô Mirin quý vang nga Won nhum sơ thắng kha Won nhằm quy khá li Mà nơ rí mây na Won nhum la gương Lấy cái shi ấy Safra Khát tầm ngay đó à giờ khám tháp hình mới thấy thôi đấy cái gì vào phong lấy bằng hăng nó lại bài hi ít hôm sang hôm sẽ yêu vang khăn điểm cái là miền nào mới dùng để lên tới nhiều gì sao cái bà gì sang hôm máu sẽ Gali para nau blum katha Gali para relay kashi katha Na ya shong ka zingli ang kada Na li ka paning na mapivarma Hang shabra chợt yang yêu lúc ngâm Magapay thada mong shimana magapam Nana ta tui hai khaka chi ning na Ngaya ka chi khắc suy trong sa Banuri may na khang shabra Ka chot la Na we va Shiva Mashima Bai Mana Bay sang không dây Mở mày ta Nama gazan Iwi mirin hi Ki ka kalat laydo chốt là na we va Anuri mai na khang shabra ka chốt là na we va Shiva Mashima Bai Mana Đi cháy rồi Mâm thác lê Mình phá đồ Mà sang sang ngay vừa Okay, sao vừa nữa anh Akashida Ajui Soro Vivang Pang line ka pay me sene Thank you so much Ajui Soro for the wonderful performance Next round Vivang na tum ready sa clay Because the contestants are ready Atum thak lagi na ready sang sa ko gay ni na tum lila mo hon sak ready yang Aji hi mir now bingwang wa itum yasho hilira sang da clay bingwang wa It's a big treat yeah She now being here. I remember she bring jiling wrong tan now right. We are ready, yeah. Ka ari chang hiwa. Ya show being treat me like say TKLI no. Ya show liwa. Ya show being liwa. Me chang kat ko yo. Achi we perform zata glay being hila. She now. Hilila she now ning dele. All right. Without further ado, we will have the second round, which is the traditional round. Let's enjoy the evening.
tangkul shanwai chonwai sari mam thado. Iliam matak jangkat yar now bing mam thado. Acha laga atumna awa yina itumi beauty contest ngala khangyen gji itumi sari shanwai chonwai ngwai laga jithada kapang sayang jiwai ne shitike line laga ai thaka ichi ja shu wi jisa se ta ari round dj na shop ne ari itumi li atumi kshi ka zangbam khire tre zangbam khire laga judges ping na tiwi kashok atam jitharan top 10 hi kapang khi ke jine judge ping kui sala ka ne bam dale akon mazarna lo jingnem li bam bing yang it was a tough competition isn't it Kedong kang mathasare talented sala ke kedong ka kala pupor kedong kam mathasare jane judge ping quick sa je atum le hai miao se atam mazang na la thada thakla ke ne calculate sa miao no kala ji thada points count sa mu hong de le ka ichumili choreography akalai de le jane tbci atum na perform kra sa miao no DBCI Working Girls Hostel Thalakaina perform Sami Kai Chuwang Ning Shinaire Ari to me Kishok Maudo Ari Kiram Raudo Tiger Ram Rauye Atu Tiger Jig Deka Xing Crowley Kiyu Kekak Zao My Day Tiger Mlay Lado Shualungli Tiger Jikibani Laga Bang may hang no mom jud na Tiger Jikibani I hika you in the door Kiwi Tiger ni Bang may hang say Kiwi Tiger ni Okay, itu Ari Hila itu me top 10 finalist si makwirang laga itu me one and only Raphei Tiger. Let's welcome him on the stage. Okay, I'm a shimmering Bang bang may dag film milo. Tiger nagtatado sa iya. Tiger nagtatado may desado. Raphei Tiger hik find na liya. Katado ming poji mi kaida.
Karang hongli katsadami. Sangkala kapta sarkan. Kale kup upaira. Vano mangwadle.
Okay. TKLI le Didi Malo.
Alasile.
Kazuka.
Bada tung.
Kijilem day do. TKLI kya khale shi le jilam. Anhang dam le shi nam ni je.
Matik ta tung lai fele hai.
Kajung kale shi je. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's give him a big round of applause again for his performance.
Lahi mararun laga, atang sili kim mekla, ungkata mungkata bajam deturya, mengalir just lemo jang, jadi ina akamang hangai jipun kai jang. The first key class ka, shit kesang. Second, identity. Third, nana ngiyul chadak le mi paje ki pakna. Chipaji na second, third samungro. Iya identity ne. Arena ngavai da ge phone he. Asa ke jimbe ne design sak mi de. Our professionalism, are we the Miss Contest la? Katara a pay kachite, yeah. Rang de kachite. Chikata jina first second mi ha kachi share de. Ka awe in a hangar atang jang in a point kutum hang haje mi pa jin the portion samogre. Okay. Are ila chat khwai hi angzang thubo kai de bang mi he achina kuzang khawa au appointment jana president jang laga cho hi thai laga yang bob bi le muire le kugi basin na nong mera kape ka gom ka kwan thera ka once agis appointment sa khai je chili katsum sabai even extreme corners of man kari while ukru lisang laga ara ukru rasung janara kari wa handa khain thi winga akhamang le sa je sande sa ha dana lag ka jana iraq le the driver ba jene oja nangge le ke spec do ai na manung ga happy ke tak sang khai jana sijli kapam je mi kya kahera mi ka thumam bam sakse taga na passenger him pe ka tar gam tar 么贝大给带来欧家，然后这里啥朋友啊，咪么地位，今天呢，这套路这里么搞背景那里背出来。哎，个半年的，那啷个 ，start 啥看的我，白打开呢，，fence 过那里打中间呢，这里一些当我老爷赢了，我拿老兵全部包的，兵的是啥了嘛？没个马克思达么更容易。配啥证了？一两个知道么个公路的听课。然后我在旁边阿克莫拉人，然后丢没个阿维斯路去，一直丢没个海勒萨米后路呢。一般阿瑞带路去没个，各省口吧，只有我们。在那儿日本的有人看你。么他们呢？啊，真肯定是不那儿去么地方的来拉么地，去了TKLI 把心呢拉去平时看米罗个子，一里私人米克拉个 ，OK， 其实我一路他们个，一忙啊忙里帮着看呢，汤那也了嘛，上班么退不了么上。是分离，要个这等你，个虽然这个买么个太可能放那拉萨，阿妹么里阿里克了的可能。喊你，那个媳妇，她的个哈个入了个房间海哈，这买么个？你说你呀，你黑起来，你说坏了，个他让着，让着你头，那这得个爱呢？你说他这买么个陪不起你？温忙那个我喊中的个气了，你们个边，你们个都么三分贵，可热的里，那听胸处怕了。么太的真里，去不你的累了空，你能快可爱分了这买么个太不起力，三分可爱。你呀，你黑起来，你说坏了，个他让着，让着你头，那这太可 giấc mai mơ khờ thấy vương chỉ đi nông dân sự chủ rồi nga sa re hex this ka ba da ko nông dân hàng e ba ở chỗ hàng cái này thức khơi phải gần shi là shi man se hao si phật rim ngơ giấc ya ina thơ niềng ngơ ông lấy shi khi thơ niềng ngơ khi chúc mà chưa bấm đàn này Kataran sân ang sani thơ giấc mai mơ thấy vững giấc mai mơ ca Julia ding he chili nei shon hai la Kataran sam hang sa ni do na zeng thi ke nai le Ban ni chong hao giấc mai mơ khờ thấy vững Clamber, oh, iwi my land, Imphal gambiri, Gata lelido, Gandui ke atam, Mirin pening unde, Nishi jing the land. Mơ phani umi do ngân duy nơ khờ atam nay pa đi hột la đi lờ vứt rất adam gật chính là su su ro lờ pa long re li inni mang re ta chim khuna maluva the show ake chapte mandirim yang ro you be my clamber mai khalim le mai le sal le ma cream ishi here now pin le shia da ha ke ye ye tha le ma thai mi vai ge shi le vai shi sa ge shi le sa shi mi li le lang bong de lâm te chung chuan you be my clam Nish sang sang Nui cái trong mình thế à vô lạc xin là chân là cái phát sông ngay như thế đây chỉ cái chân khờ có gần nuôi là khờ bì mơ lại đời mơ xa cái hai ô chợ bì xin bằng đưa rô khai đơ ngáo vòng đưa rô lơ mình lê bơ đi chi gần đi lê khờ thà đơ ngơ hăng đưa rô chi mơ lại đời mơ you be my clamor oh Imphal Raphei lần nuôi là khờ ta đi đến party wonder đây chỉ chuyện là lẽ Thank you.
Thank you so much. Mring bhag le. Shnao bing ring phado. Awe acting thadu masasha bra mi nao bing. Itung la nao bing na weakness chi chi go. Okay, thank you so much amashimringam. Talaga na perform sami kai chuwang. Ara kiram raudo. Okay, once again, itumi, our long-awaited, the moment that we have been waiting for is here. Itumi top 10 he, judge bing la kui sa lagay na damsang lagay nang yay nga sa laga kapangay ne, Jaina top 10 he kapang vai sao si, Jaina. Once again, I welcome all the contestants on the stage. Natum na kakamilo. Music, please. Isila shopping mam thado. Kiban na top 10 list isang rao. Serial number kya kani? 5, 15. Contestant ye mi ari li yang alaga. There are 14 contestants. If 15 nagabay sa shi jiba, ila zang dakaul by da. But sadly, there's only 10 who have made it to the top 10. And remember, you are all a winner with an incredible display of your talent, grace, and pose. We have chosen 10 contestants who have made it to the top 10. Natum psychorally talaga ni sami kai juwang ning shinaire ya wi psychor na akshida bang pemis ne ashu trao wang. All right. Nervous mis ado. Nervous mis minutum. Iba merga. Lisi li go. All right. The first woman to advance to the top 10 is contestant number. Yes, contestant number 11, Kumrawan Shimter. Okay. And the second contestant who made it to the top 10 is contestant number 6, Dungmila Chacho. Okay? And the third spot of the top 10 belongs to contestant number 4. Gladys Jajo. And the fourth woman who made it to the top 10 is contestant number 13. Sumi Ningshen. Okay, kya khatai le do? Kya khatai? Okay, thalagan kaunta le. And the fifth woman who made it to the top 10 is contestant number. Okay, contestant number 9. Shanmila Hungyo. Kya dai le? Kya dai? Okay. The next woman who is advanced to the top 10 is contestant number 8. VT1 Muiva. Okay. Mom that like le. All right. I don't keep on my cat. I like do. How many? Madi. Katum. Okay. Contestant number is Rinjon. Correction with the name? Rinjon, yeah? Okay. There's no changes with the contestant, so it's fine. Confusion later, yeah? Okay. Now, the seventh woman who made it to the top 10 is contestant number? Contestant number 5 masang saya. Okay, the next woman is contestant number 1, Somirin Gasar. Hey, Pui Mamanarko. All right, the next woman advancing to the top 10 is contestant number. Okay, you're contestant number 5. Horting Bem Maypok. Kanimang Madleko. Okay. And the next woman who made it to the top 10 is contestant number. Contestant number. Contestant number. Okay, you're contestant number 2. Malamed Ngalong. Right. Now, there is only one spot left, and the lucky woman who filled the spot is contestant number 12, Temtem A. Shimre. Congratulations, ladies. You've made it to the top 10. However, they will be facing a question round from the judges. Thank you, ladies. Ari contestant hili yang laga la shopping hi. Arava atumi. Kamu tama ngai nama baila atumna ara kata question jing han ganik le kaji tumna atumi thang match le yang la kau siang. Jena iwi apang hili judges bingu aming le dele. Hili kapang naga nutumna hi kakui tharan mangali shok milo. Laga judge we aming ji shok hang milo. And when you answer it, it can be in English and also in it Tangkhul. Kanini sapay riang, jena jiwi kita problem malim ne, natum na comfortable sa jena ngahan kami lo. Church wa aming kapang may dahang milo, nice and slow ngahan kami lo. Kim Tam, take your time, okay? Okay, are you ready for the question round? Okay, we will start from contestant number 1, Somirin Kasar.
Hello, this is your contestant number 1 again, and I choose Miss Papakoti.
Thank
you, Miss.
And yeah, the traditional attire na tumkutong lipak na dali. Actually, question hi, ngatay hang high question ne. Contest katain compare sa ka kiwangle jika student union we contest sauda na tumli chui me kar gi level li khanga ji ne. So my first question to you, don't be nervous, okay? It's fine. Just relax. Okay, my first question to you is, as an educated woman, what's your view on women as housewives? Kitchen li shimli pamshon ghai thada kade ot masang saklui la chili pam thui ghai chijili na we view na na khi machan sangai kle. Or housewives sama man the extra work kasa chilila na support sangai dalela. What's your view on women, educated women as housewives?
Okay, thank you, Miss, for the question. As a housewife, women being we view, I think housewife akasada shim nganau gaga, nau ngrang nganau gaga, shim kur kanganau. Kiji kamataya akanida shitsange kala ot masala housewife akamang salaga shimli shim kurji paj guil ga kabam jili ka kai ki kalam lay binay ji hangaye because we the housewives are the person who brings up the family. Ishawa the housewife akasaye kala I awivang broad salage because of her, because she was the housewife, I'm standing here. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 1. Next, contestant number 2, Valamet Ngalong.
Once again, hello. Sir AC Rising.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
What is your favorite social media platform? And what advice would you give to the congregation in using social media? No, we ning chang mai tui gaji social media platform kikala Yarui Bingli social media Sigijinwi Muramdi key advice Mingaikla.
Thank you so much for the question, sir. In a ning jangla gahaya social media app jao say taka Instagram hi akang saye kiwang kala jikava Instagram hili kajung ka kanaga by post la sa baba me influencer kajung kana okutui we kamatha psychology la khiraj thei baba me kala jili apply salaga athumna influence ka sa jitharan li tam khui ka pai la kajung ka leye jiwang na cover awi negative point la kajung ka le baba me social media we jena issue congregations pingli da hangai ka jiwa social media shigajin adamli adam tha waste ka sa hila aron we chatla la ga ha atama khang sa da leye khiwang la jiga adam waste sa laga idhum we lai ka ba psychology la hap khano ye jena social media shigajin adamli singthai la ke na post saran li kala post saran ji sa masaran ji masa yari bing na social societies li katha da athum nai mai ngare ra laga societies bing na katha da response miracle ji la phaning ga zag laga post ka sa kala social media shikajin hi kanala ke da shisange next nair.
Thank you, contestant number 2, for a wonderful answer. Next, I will call upon contestant number 4, Gladys Jajo.
Hello everyone. Ili question hangi bari Ma'am Pilazan.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
In a question, himang hanrang kaya ruibing lilahang bige. Contestant na kasada. Atum la nervous la kaya, and they need to understand the question very well. And then ngahan kakali la clear sa kawai wang. Please maintain kasamilo. Kala itum the question kangrana atam jitharanjila. It's not only for the contestant, but it is also for the community to think about it and then share sangrum kawai wang ne. And contestant number 4, mathalagay na late lane tum psychor. Aruing zin ina natum nalingahan kangay question hinaba. Manipur crisis has affected in many aspects of life. And as a Tangkhul Naga living in Imphal, what are the main impact in our lives? Emotional health, mental health, physical and spiritual health. Itum hili zingoma kahen laga rod kamarat lungli oktwira khai hili ngusungra khai we alung hili Tangkhul now Imphal lipam da khlaya kharanausan psycho ruiwang itumui emotional, mental, physical and spiritual life hili katha da leida noi thei ku share samilo.
Thank you so much for the question, ma'am. Conflict here. Ma'am, can you just repeat the question for me once more?
Okay. Itumui rod kamarat ra kahai hili rada kle hili isi Tangkhul now ping Imphal lipam da khlaya ping hi itumui karing kharak hili katha da face sama mai dale.
Thank you, ma'am. Conflict ra here na isi Tangkhul now ping lila masag zum maning ne ko chung ga sa je yang itum conflict ra here na shumkhur go chung khala tribe ka tebing Ari conflictly involved ka sa tribe ay nang nganay dapam side shim lago chunga may thought guy lele lago destroy lago chunga sai yang jana actually students being lago chung involved sa pamba me lago ari ba yung suna atumla atum nganay la kan pam sa side atumi documents no atumi shim atumna jingum le atumna pesa ka zib laga shim kai gai atum ji psychology mangai nang ari ba chiga ari itum economically la chung sazi ye laga students being le ari conflict ra he na lari kshna la posa we yang jana lari ka tamatam li la itum li la syllabus ji atam wa thishu re chagi sai da mathala ka nel matam la skip sa laga thada itum li kida course ji in a given amount of time kupsang hawai atumna time limit mi haida itumi wangla academic wagla stress ka chung khle yang thada we don't want to disappoint our parents. We're all here to study, so thada stress khle jena. Oh my gosh, what if I fail? What if I don't do well? My parents will be disappointed. Like they're working in other places in other states, and they sent me here to study. And then if I don't do well, then as a daughter, like as a child, we feel very bad because the reason we're here is to study. Not only this, but then it has also affected like us in our relationships with our parents and with our friends. Itum nang atumli wang hangai salala tada itum ya azar active ngara kala apana ngara bing hi issue bashilong ni pamaya jan atumla ili ariwa thengai jilla ung sei jikhala conflict hi leda ka tran ki shokni claim thi to the atumla han ungi jiji hada ngi jilla hanung la atumi safe sorry ge guarantee lay to the itumla atumi nampoi nam hongai ni jilla jana chena la itum mangla thada emotionally to chung sat yang itum la shim khuli thada thengai kha thala chat ung chat khawala ma sapai yamau se jigla ma sapai lai give up sao se jigla ma sapai ibi aim sao gi da jana hada chiwagai na chung sat ji kha thal jan chimang ning ne itumi church ka kalila itum Varishna side itum church ka kalila ari conflict side gather lam sapai thare shong fili ki shok ni claim thi to da chila chiwag itum Varish pong la kuchung sa ji ya the reason wa kuchung khle kha thada these are the few points that I want to sum up and I want to tell you all today. Thank you.
Thank you so much. That was contestant number 4, Gladys Chajo. And next I would like to call upon contestant number 5, 14 Pam Maypo.
Sir AC Rising.
Hello.
Hi, sir.
Okay. How women empowerment can be achieved in Tangkhul society? Shinawi ngapam jui kang saki Tangkhul ilungli kathada ungsung baidikda. Women empowerment we madang hidi Tangkhul now being as a shinagan kathada itumi ngapam hi chui meda. Higher sami the kathada kang sak baidikda shinaw being a raw women empowerment we and a rocky kui baidikda.
Thank you for the question. Tangkhul nawa kasada shinawai akai na akan katom kang rock ya. Tangkhul naw live akana kai ka akana kundara gji hot na lakaya. Jui wangai na women empower sari jai khawa akai na aka katom kang rock laka Tangkhul hi sem kalak se gji hangai ning share. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 5. Next, contestant number 6, Rinchon.
I choose Pilazan Shang.
No, I'm going to hang la.
Tungnila Jajo.
Tungnila Jajo. Okay.
Yes,
Thank you. Natam na kami na wang mikmin hang miao ge. Ari question sagi dak lehile. Itum na pagmiwi kikrang na jing dale awi comedian, one of the comedian yang itum hile. Ana pagmi na Finch corner wi maram kahangji thaisar dale ra. Chipili sambang da khangzek atamli chipina napkuya ya talaga chapsai ka na khanghana atamli Tangkhul basiwa akashoyai jika ilipen akashoyai jika ilipeni dahange. It makes sense. So I would like to ask in connection with this incident, I mean awi hangdak lejili, what is your opinion? Itu mui Tangkhul society hili kapha gashiji hi lage iwanga gaji kapha gashi pros and cons of Tangkhul society.
Thank you, ma'am, for the question.
Yes, ma'am, please.
Question here. Tangkhul society kasada, it has a pros and cons. Kapa kashi positive and negative, minus point, plus point. Jaina tangkhul as a whole really, no we take a quili kapa na ki, kala kashi na ki.
As for me, in our Tangkhul culture, the practice of our traditional attire culture, it is what to say, like he ishin practice kasa, itum wing shan practice kasa, he song ni lake, itum na he krewina jakna practice ti itum na sadva mamanda itum na sita kaimni laka, keep up salaka practice sashon gaji he ivang wa he song I lake, and the negative part which I want to say is like mainly for the students, we are being too chicken-hearted to step out and prepare for any great exams. We are thinking that we won't be able to compete the other tribes. We have this little thing in us. This is what I want to say, that in our Tangkhul community, we can step out and compete with the others. We are a unique person, so we are capable of everything. So we need to believe in ourselves that we can do it. And I want to say, we need to continue to practice the culture which we have been practicing. Thank you.
Thank you so much, contestant number 6. Next, contestant number 8, Rinchon Ramsan.
Hello, everyone. Pleasant Shang.
Okay. What is your opinion about a woman's status in present Tangkhul society? Shinawa kasada nali Tangkhul society hina kathada kuidale or na kathada paningdale?
Thank you for the question. Ma'am Akshi.
Nasing jina kai meaning lay question sampangka. Question, very simple question. What do you think you as a woman? That is simple question. Kala nasinaw kasada Tangkhul society na nali sinaw ka kasaw kathada kuidale nali. What is your opinion about a woman's status in present Tangkhul society?
Sorry, ma'am.
Thank you, contestant number 8. Next, contestant number 9, Shanmila Hongyo.
Hello, good evening, everyone. This is contestant number 9, and I choose Papa Kasri.
Good to be back.
Thank you.
Anatum ji manu kamanu nang lam thamai ya laka ki kamatham nei mang chilo athumla nathumi tha da kang ning ni java kathir gi jine honda nathumba bossful sala ga ning shaptale songai na kho chena answer thala ga na salo ya.
Thank you so much.
Okay, my question to you is, what message do you want to convey to this generation women regarding respectability in a kaladmi logica mierda?
Oh, yes.
Kaladmi ke?
Yes.
Og tuina regisang atishura itum shinau bing hila. Ngachai sang mamandale development jili sang mamandale ka kaya ka shinau kachiwi pong hili. Nali message akamiloji ka kachi ka shinau li kaya ka shinau da ming po mi paira.
Can you please explain in English once?
Okay. I'm just gonna repeat the question once again, okay? What message do you want to convey to the generation women regarding respectability? We are evolving with the changes of today's world, okay? Be it in education, be it dressing wise, be it the way you talk or anything. So if you are to give a message to women out there who are undergoing those changes, what message would you give to them? Say, Tangkhul in general.
Well, thank you for the question. Well, I believe if I were to be a respectable woman, I will use this platform as a voice to embrace every woman's society, that we are capable in every society, that we can be what men can do, and I want to convey a message to all my dear women out here that let's not just be beauty in the outer, but rather let's bring out the inner beauty, that is the inner grooming, which we have been carrying since the past few decades. And I want to convey a message to each of you that woman has been looked down in every society, especially in Tangkhul. We all know that. We have seen in a society that woman is less respectable. We have seen in the recent conflict what has happened recently. So I want to ask to all the members out here that are we capable of calling us a woman, because we have been celebrating our independence for almost 78 years. Are we capable to say that we as a woman are independent? No, right? So I wanted to convey that as a woman, let's stay as a respectable plus a God-fearing woman, because let no one as the world sees you, but let God knows you, because I believe in one of my Bible verses that is in Philippians 4, chapter 13. I shall do all things through Christ that strengthens me. And I want all the women out here as a Tangkhul to please, let's go with that quiet, because God-fearing woman is everything that I should say. And have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, contestant number 9. Next, contestant number 11.
Hello everyone. I choose Miss Papa.
Okay, my question to you is another message. What do you want to convey to the people who are undergoing addiction of various substances? Explain sa actually yo. Various substances, it could be drug addiction, it could be alcohol addiction, cigarette addiction, any kinds of addiction, or porn addiction, okay? Everything involved. Chipaji mazang tureka substance abuse sag hai mi pingli na we a message akamiloji na kimingai, because chis kadyoga mige kiwangle jikava they have depression yarina atumli accept masatura atumla atumi own mental trauma lay, so atumli na key message mingai.
First of all, I'd like to say to every person who is going through this addiction is that addiction is not a disease. I mean, addiction doesn't mean that you're a failure. It's a disease, and you can come over it. You can recover from it. So do not lose hope. Keep working on it. Ask for help. Seeking for help is not your weakness. It's strength. It needs a lot of courage to find strength. And that's what I'd like to say to everyone who's going through that. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 11. Beautifully answered. Next, contestant number 12, Temtem A. Shimmer.
have choose Mem Plazan Chang.
Ukruluwain and the Mangta da Kleinea. We are happy that you are here. My question is very simple. As a mother, I'm a mother, and I wanted to know about how the children are going through with the relationship. So my question is, in a fast-changing world, with high technologies in every spheres of life, share your opinion about the relationship of parents and children, both positive and negative.
Well, thank you for your question, ma'am. Are we told any young sage ka national na avu parents being relationship ka jihe itum na thaisar hai jika even national tiole we na hapok laka itum na avu azak or abawi azak kimathai ka chapya avu avada hanga chapam me ka hada technology ka thar how wangin na la parents being in a relationship ji thadang taman hawe chile in a take because like I hon va ying se ji ka phone ya national wang phone jabai ka nationally avu ba jin khili vai thumni ba bom la ka sat ka tha sa la ka rom sa sang hawe sai ka ari wi jet thought in ying se ji ka atom ba jabai ka phone ya la ga jam sa thu ka phone Jeta like relationship ko ji create with hada matha thore relationship hi national pai ji va phone bal ji important samai de yang national we machap khwai national relationship vai the phone bai use ha ko laga thumi sui ha wei ji la ka hiwen itum na ga thar khle ji ka first of all like parents ko ji bing hi like itum hi parenting ko ji class ha khayang dar ka sa ye because like national kutong kana parents kaji hi va kana lake but parents kaji kutong hi na national kaji ma kanam ni chika hangai because like parents na alcohol katha yang alcohol addiction I want tong kha thai le ye like alcohol addiction na anauli abuse ka sala thai khu yang jeta ini wangai na va firstly like itum nam thalakena educated tha khui laga itum parents bingi parenting kaji hi tamasak ngai de ina sisana ga hang thank you.
Thank you so much, contestant number 12. Our last but not the least, certainly, Sumi Nation, contestant number 13.
Good evening once again. I choose Sir A.C. Rising.
Hello, contestant number 13.
Hello, sir.
Is online dating a good or bad approach? Yaron nga hi online dating hi kamata or jakisi abongli hang sangaye kajia achu idumi thoti social media we ira with saugida phone we through na ungusung gada kapang na kuchung gada idne the hidin no we opinion ki da
Online dating ji li hang lo chka iwa mam yang ai ne ji kha wa phone ne thai kham sui ne ji la hun kha wi wang ka thai ji li like mera ba na ka pixel thai shna ba na ka pixel thai mera ba na shna ba we background full ma thai ne kala shna ba la mera ba we background full ma thai ne che ne hun khamang khang han sam ka phang ji li shi chang la ka sam phang khui hada First day thang hon wa mera ba na cafe li than wa la ka ring phang sak sare next pali le ji tha sare kha wa Next, the Vaman, Mirna Ban, Shnabal advantage Quimigaila Lesare, Kalashna being a Mirna being advantage Quimigaila Lesare, Jigava, Shnaban Mirna advantage Quimire, Jigava, Pesa, we walk by Ina, the Gamina Banishna Bali cover, Pesa, we walk by Ina. Juvangani live online dating, Gaji, Mamyang, I lakne, Laga, itum la online dating, Gaji, Mashit Sangse, Kalamasa Seji, Hangai, Nishere.
Thank you so much to all the contestants for answering your questions beautifully. We will wait for the next round. Actually, the contestant being Wang Bang Pemi say. Ari hi tumna hon ching jingai na lagui de kle. Ya shopping with Wang. Treat akamilio ge. China guest star this issue really. Along the achirang rumi de kle. Kibado. Bang wait hangs ne. Kipa do guest artist. Raphei tiger kai thaka kipa kara. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Achui Sorov again for his performance. Shock lui delay. Ning shay jo. Hi alung wak wa light mashar phung jila. Ajak yang laga la sangai jinda ba. Okay, arila ak sangrum lui se yang. Sangrum se bahila. Hiba ina thada hiba iwi lamning ne ina khernau bin kha zangai da hada antirem nui la sa se da sa jine athangwi hili kaphaning kai da khi da kai da pa ja da wei ji bing jing na sar lo samphang khai thangon thằng hồn tràn hắn lên lấy chi mây nên hàng mà khả năng sắc lạc mà ra tràn hắn lên niềm chim ri mi gian là lấy chi cha rơi là mít mi chính xa check achui soro wivang akta pang pangla ke na ka phemi se perform sa kar fre issue Raphei tiger la pangla ke na lai fi chena lak chung ka tai fi ya wili la kala achui soro wili la lak chung tai fi chena yarina ngai sa lo itu mi crowning hi kup sang chau la ka sai ko nang than se ji la dui da bong ngai ne kala ari itu mi top 5 hi li mo ho shok rang la ka itu mi kashik by a president kui rematot mi ana presentation wang atam ka kui mirno Ari atami itumi alongli TKLI li katom ching dakle kala katom ma ching fugi dakle jili juwe mi pukal leidale jena Ari atumi facilitate samingai karesa ta Temsing ahom Forester District Forest Department Kamchong anala rangurumi dale jena tumi TKLI wishongena Tiêu mấy khả bằng ran sa khai khang ran kui mira no. Kui Temsing ahom. Temsing ahom. Forester District Forest Department Kamchong. O chana lai shong lai akava khang ran kui mira no. Yar sagor na pang mar may daga pay misine. Rangram Kechuvang, Kakaniali, Zingran so Achiwi, to my parliamentary speaker Samikai, Zingran so Anala Pangan Karaquimirano.
Hello. Hello. Yari cycle li chat leo